In this video, we will learn how to create a gig-selling freelancing marketplace website like Fiverr. I will share with you premium source code to create gig service selling freelancing marketplace website. In this source code, we are getting 3 nice home page designs. We can use these designs in website home page. Hope these 3 home page designs have impressed you. We are getting most popular admin panel to control this freelancing marketplace website. We can control all the functionality and features of the website through the admin panel. Now I will introduce you some important nice features of the website, then we will learn step by step how to build this freelancing marketplace website. As a website owner, we can earn money from this freelancing marketplace website in various ways. For example, we can easily earn money by creating premium subscription packages on the website. Sellers and customers can easily register accounts on the website. For this, customer and seller need to create account by submitting correct information here. So let's now log into the account as a customer. Now you can see the dashboard of a customer's account. Here customers can see their order lists. Customers can easily manage their orders using these feature sections. Customers can also search for their preferred services. Customers can also view their preferred service lists, then you can order any service. Then customers can select their service categories here. Now we have to order by clicking on checkout. Now customers can accept service orders using various international automatic payment methods. Now we will log in account as a seller. Now you can see the nice dashboard of a seller's account. A seller is getting various features and functionality sections to manage his account. Sellers can easily update their services using these functionality features sections and can request to withdraw their earned money. So let's learn step by step how to create gig selling service freelancing marketplace website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create gig selling freelancing marketplace website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you if you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple, and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using 2 international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow! Now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish gig selling freelancing marketplace website online. You can purchase high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to add permissions to some folders. So now we will learn how to add permissions to folders. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. Now we have to do license verification. For this we have to submit the purchase information here. Now we need to submit the website name here. Then we need to submit our website URL here. Now we have to submit the database information here. So now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to add hosting panel database information to website. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. Now we have to click on install button. Now we must save the admin login information in any notepad. We have successfully installed the source code. Now our freelancing marketplace website is ready. So let's log in to admin now. Here we have to submit admin login information. Then we must change the admin default login password. Now we can customize website features and functionalities step by step through admin panel. Because in the admin panel you are getting all kinds of features section to change the website design. You can change these features and functionalities according to your needs step by step. You get all the features to manage the website through the admin panel. In this video, I introduce you to best source code for creating gig service selling freelancing marketplace website. You can earn huge amount of money online by creating professional freelancing marketplace website using this premium source code. If you have any query about this video, then comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much to watch this full video. If you are a new viewer of our channel, then you must subscribe the channel to watch the next video.